Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video we will look at how to convert raw text to PDF document with formatting automatically. So for this purpose we will be using a open source JavaScript client-side PDF generation library called as PDFMake. This is their official website, PDFMake.org. It can even be used on the server side as well on Node.js, but in this example, we will be looking at how to generate a PDF document right in the browser itself. We have this application and the user interface is coded inside Bootstrap. We have the text area where we allow the user to simply paste raw text. You can paste unlimited number of characters, and as you paste the text you have the button out there. Click this button and you will actually see your PDF file will get downloaded, and you can see real formatting will be there. You will see that. So it actually appears on a single page. It typically depends upon the length of the text. So if the text is larger, let's suppose if I paste it number of times, so this application will handle as much text as you paste right here. It will automatically create pages depending upon that length of text. So now you will see it will contain 9 pages depending upon the text length. The formatting will do automatically. You will see PDF Make will handle the formatting automatically for you. You don't need to write extra code for this. So it's a great application that you can deploy on your website using PDF Make. I will show you in this video how to build this. All the source code will be given in the description of this video. So now let's get started. So first of all, we are actually including the CDN of PDF Make library so that we can directly use it in the browser. So you can see we are using this 0.2.7 version. We are using the CDN from cloudflare.com and min.js, and also the font file as well, vfs underscore fonts.js. So we are using these two script tags, and then we will be using our external script which will be located in the script.js. So here we will be writing the custom JavaScript code. So now what we need to do for the HTML, we are actually included the CDN for Bootstrap, if you see. And for building this interface, it's really easy. Let me just show you. We will be using the container class of Bootstrap. So we will be having a div which will have the container class. Inside this we'll have the card class, MX auto to make it in the center position, padding 4, shadow. We'll be giving a max width of 600 pixel. Inside this we will have a heading which will simply say that raw text to PDF converter. So we will just align this in the center using the bootstrap class of text center. Font size I will set to 3, font weight bold, MB4, margin bottom 4. So it will look something like this if you refresh your browser. Then we need to have a div margin bottom 3. We will have a label right here where we will simply give it a bootstrap class of form label, and here will be simply be saying enter your text. We will allow the user in order to a text area where the user will copy paste the raw text. We'll give it an ID text input so that we can target in JavaScript. So we will give it a bootstrap class of form control. Rows I will set it to 8. Columns I will remove it. So it will look something like this, your text area, and after that you will have a simple button which will simply say download PDF. So we'll give it an ID to this button of a download button and a bootstrap class of btn primary. So you can see that. So this is actually the interface. So now to actually write the JavaScript, first of all, we need to get reference to the text input. So whatever text the user has pasted. So for that, use the document get element by ID. So we have given that ID to the input field, text area, and also the download button. So we have given the we'll use the get element by ID function. So we'll target the button by its ID, download button. We get references to both these elements in the DOM, and now we'll be binding a on-click listener to the button. So when we click the download PDF button, so this callback function will execute. So right here will be first of all get all the text which is pasted in the text area using text input dot value, and we will trimming that value coming by using the trim function in JavaScript. And after we get this text, we can actually use PDFMake library to convert to PDF. So first of all, you'll be making a document definition. In PDFMake, you need to make a document definition first of all. So this is actually an object which contains information about the data that needs to be inserted in the PDF document. So there is a content property. This is actually an array which contains an object which contains a property of text. So whatever text that you want, so we will be providing the text which the user has pasted in this property. The second property is the font size. You can control it. I will set it to 12. And then we have another additional properties that you can set it, which is the page size of the PDF document. So various sizes are there. I will set it to the common size A4 size. Page margin you can even set like this. Left margin is, let me set to 240. This is the top margin, bottom margin. I will set all the four margins to be 40. So you can here you can control all these margins. And now to download the file, PDF file, we simply write PDF make M is capital, and it contains a function which is create PDF. P is capital right here, and here we pass the document definition that we provided, and then it contains a download function, and here you give your file name result.pdf. That's all. So this is a very simple library. Here we provide your document definition, provide the additional properties about the text size, font size, page margin, then we download the PDF document. So if I run this file now, if I paste something, write something, click download, you will see that result PDF has been downloaded. And let me change the font size. Uh, let me just make 100. Let me make the font size to be 100. So if you write something right here, you will see that the font size will be larger because we made the change. So if you copy this now, if I change the font size to, let's suppose, 20, paste it, click on download, you will see that. So now automatically the text will be splitted into multiple pages depending upon the size of the text, and you will actually see the PDF file has been generated from raw text. So in this way you can make this online good converter web app and write in the browser itself using the PDFMake library. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also visit my website freemediatools.com, where I post quality tools daily. So a lot more tools are there on this website. You can try this for totally free. And please subscribe this channel, and I will be seeing you in the next one.